In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Salesforce using Google. This guide will provide you with an easy-to-follow process to navigate to Salesforce's Sandbox environment so you can carry out your tasks efficiently. Let's begin by heading to Google. For most of us, it's the familiar starting point of our internet journeys. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Google's URL, or simply type Google into the search bar if it isn't already set as your default homepage. Once you're on Google's homepage, we'll proceed to the next step. Now, in the search bar, type Sandbox Salesforce. This search is going to lead us to the specific Salesforce environment designed for testing and development, the Salesforce Sandbox. It's an essential space for trying out new configurations and applications without worrying about impacting your live Salesforce data. After entering your search terms, press Enter to perform the search. Among the search results, find the official Salesforce Sandbox link. Typically, it's one of the top results, labeled distinctly to help you pinpoint it easily. Clicking on this link will take you straight to the Salesforce Sandbox login page, where the next part of our process begins. With the Salesforce Sandbox page open, look for the link that says Login Salesforce. This will direct you to the actual login interface where you'll enter your credentials. Be sure that you are indeed in the Sandbox area, so that all your tests and experiments are confined to this safe environment and do not affect any of your actual sales operations. In the next step, you'll focus your attention on the username field. It's important to make sure you type your username exactly as it was provided to you, as this is often case-sensitive and must match the credentials associated with your Salesforce Sandbox account. Once you've entered your username, move to the password field. Carefully type in your password. Again, attention to detail is the key here since passwords are case-sensitive. Ensure there are no extra spaces or unintended characters, as these could prevent access. After filling in both the username and password correctly, you're set to click on the button that says Log into Sandbox. Once you click that, the system will take a few moments to authenticate your credentials and load your Sandbox environment. Upon successful login, you'll be ready to start using Salesforce Sandbox, free to explore and experiment as needed. And there you have it. With these steps, accessing Salesforce Sandbox through Google becomes a straightforward process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Until next time, happy exploring and testing in your Salesforce Sandbox environment.